Hey guys, welcome back to Ninotech AE, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Oraimo wireless earbuds. I'm truly excited to be here with you and trying out these new earbuds. I hope you'll enjoy. We'll talk about the packaging, the design, the comfortability, and also how they connect, the connectivity. They connect via Bluetooth. Once you remove them from their case, they just connect straight to your phone via Bluetooth. Another important aspect is how the earbuds are comfortable to the ear. I've been working with them for long, and let me show you. I enjoyed them, having them in the ears, because they just fit well, and as you can see, they just fit well, and you can work with them for long because they're comfortable. So let's get to it. So first of all, we'll open up the package to see what's inside. And as you can see, we have the earphones right there and an additional palm radio. So this is what is inside the package. The earphone is displayed on the case. I'll unwrap it to see what's inside. So here we go. That's Oraimo set of earbuds. This is the packaging. So let's open and see what is inside. As you can see, we have our earbuds right there. Let's open. This is the case. It's a cool case, as you can only see how they look and feel. You slide to open it, and there are our two earbuds. They look amazing, and that's the charging case or the storage case. So let's see what's inside. As you can see, we have a USB charger. It's type C to charge your earbuds very fast. Charges the case, then the case charges the earbuds. We also have this ear nits, and that's the palm radio given to you as a gift from Oraimo. Let's open and see how it looks. It also has a cool base. I tested it and I can confirm it has a cool base inside. It also comes with a USB type B and a holder. That's the USB type B and a holder. It also has a manual that you can read to understand some setting and how it operates. That's the manual for your palm radio as an addition to your earbuds. And that's it for the review. I like the earphones. Also have to talk about the active noise cancellation, because when you have them in your ears, you won't be interfered with the background noise, and you'll just be comfortable working with them and have a deep focus in your work, and everything will be okay because of the active noise cancellation. The background noise, you don't hear nothing. You're just in your zone. And that's the good thing about it. You just slide into your world and everything keeps going. The flow is out of this world, I must say. I can rate these earphones a 4.7 out of 5 because they are comfortable and they have a decent battery life. The battery life is good. It can take you up to 27 hours after one full charge. Just return them to the case, they charge. You take them out the case, they are fully charged, and that's a good thing and part about the battery life. I also love the design because they're comfortable. Nothing to complain about. They are worth the price actually. I appreciate the gift they come with. You're given like a small Bluetooth radio alongside the earphones. I don't know if it's added in the price or it's just a way of appreciating, but it's good because the radio is also well designed and it has quality sound. Another important aspect is the connectivity. It's just easy to connect. Once you get them off the case, they connect flawlessly and you are good to go. You don't need to struggle connecting them. Pairing them up is just simple and straightforward. If you found this video useful and the review, remember to like, And if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.